Hello, in front of me I've got Battlefield 6. In this video I'll show you how to manage additional sprint features. In the beginning, let's go to settings of the game and go to gameplay. In Infantry, you can change double tap forward to sprint function. You can enable crouch toggle sprint, vault over sprint, sprint, door barge, and double tap crouch for sprint slide. Thanks to this function, you can add to sprint additional functions that will automatize the movement of your character. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.